This is the real Tom Rose, and we're trying to solve an algebraic translations problem. Notice that the answer choices have variables in them. So there are two methods you want to consider, plugging in numbers and algebra. This question is begging to be solved with plugging in numbers. We start with C crackers, E are eaten, and there are N crackers left. Start with C, subtract E, we have N left. And solving this problem is going to be as quick as figuring out numbers we can plug in which work. I'm going to try 5. We start out with 5, we eat 3, and there are 2 left. Now we've been asked to solve for E. So here's our target, E, which is 3. And the game is simply plugging in C and N to the answer choices to figure out which one equals 3. So if C is 5 and N is 2, that's 7, that's out. C is 5, N is 2, that equals 3. It looks like a winner. Let's check the others just to make sure. N is 2, C is 5, that's negative. C is 5, N is 2, that's 10. And C is 5, N is 2, and we end up with some fraction. So that's out. And B is our answer. How could this have been done with the algebra method? What we'd want to do is create an equation. And we already have fairly much built one while we were plugging in, which was we started with C crackers, we subtracted E, and we had N left over at the end of the day. And so if you think of this as the given, what have we been asked to find? We've been asked to find E. So what we would need to do is solve this for E. So let's add E to both sides. And we end up with C equals N plus E. Now let's subtract N from both sides. And we'll end up with C minus N equals E. And we can go hunting for C minus N. Note the match between E and E. And we do have it. It's answer choice B, which we already found.